Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn something fun in math. We are going to learn subtraction. Subtraction means taking something away. When we take some things away, the number becomes smaller. Let's look at some fun examples. Here are 5 apples. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1 apple is eaten, so we take 1 apple away. 5 minus 1 equals 4. So we write it like this. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Now there are 4 apples left. Now look at the toy cars. There are 6 cars on the road. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suddenly, 2 cars race away. So we take 2 cars away. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Now 4 cars remain on the road. Look at the pond. There are 10 ducks swimming in the water. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 4 ducks swim away. So we take 4 ducks away. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Now 6 ducks are left in the pond. Look at the balloons. There are 9 balloons. Now 3 balloons fly up into the sky, so we take 3 balloons away. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Now 6 balloons are left. Great counting! Great job, kids! Today we learned that subtraction means taking away. When we take something away, the number becomes smaller. Keep practicing subtraction and you will become math champions. See you in the next fun learning video.